All right, these are just my Rolos. Now we're gonna go ahead and split our biscuits right in half. Just like that. These are just my original Grand's biscuits. We're gonna go ahead and grab half our biscuit with our Rolo, and we are going to cover up that Rolo and make a little ball, just like that. Make sure the Rolo isn't peeking out anywhere. Grab our greased bump pan and place that right inside. So we're gonna go ahead and roll up our Rolos in our biscuit dough and fill up our bundt pan. We're gonna use about 2 cans of biscuits so that we can really fill up our bundt pan and get a delicious and easy dessert. All right, last one of our 2 packages of biscuits. Place it right into our bundt pan. Make sure to pinch that close because we do not want that caramel to escape. Perfect. Now we're gonna come over here and grab our 2 sticks of butter, and we are gonna add some light brown sugar to this butter. We want about a cup of brown sugar. Ooh. Okay, that looks beautiful. Go ahead and grab our whisk. We're gonna go ahead and just mix that brown sugar right into that butter. Okay, that looks like it's gonna be the best it will get. Oh, look how yummy that looks. Oh my, okay, let's go ahead and grab our bundt pan, and we're gonna go ahead and drizzle our brown sugar butter mixture right on top of our Rolo stuffed biscuits.
Whoa, that looks so delicious.
Okay, I might have overmade our little brown sugar butter mixture, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. While that's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and grab some powdered sugar. We're gonna put about a cup of powdered sugar in here, maybe a little less. Doesn't need to be too much. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. We're gonna grab some whole milk, but you can use any milk preference you choose. And we are just gonna add like 1 or 2 teaspoons in there, nothing crazy. Go ahead and grab a whisk, and we are going to whisk that milk into our powdered sugar to create a icing for our pull-apart bread. Ooh, okay. That looks good, but we definitely need a little bit more milk in there. Nothing crazy. Perfect. Because I want it to kind of just be able to drizzle on top of that monkey bread, kind of like if it was a cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's exactly what we were looking for. Okay, so now we have a delicious icing for our Rolo's pull-apart bread. Let's go ahead and check on it in the oven. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells like chocolate croissants in our house. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and place our plate right on top, and we're gonna flip this.
We're flipping this?
Yeah.
It's gonna be flipping awesome. Ooh.
Oh, that buttery goodness. Woo! Okay, we made it.
You did it.
We did it. All right, let's go ahead and lift it. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go ahead and bring in that icing that we made and drizzle it right on top of our Rolo pull-apart monkey bread. Look how good that looks.
Whoa.
The icing is obviously optional, but delicious. Okay. It is time to try this out. Best part is you just grab your fork and your little appetizer plate. Oh my gosh, look at all that chocolate. Okay. Oh, you get your little half biscuit filled with a Rolo. Look, it's perfectly cooked too.
Whoa.
dig in. I want some of that chocolate in there. Look at the inside.
Oh, wow. It didn't really focus, but it looked good.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Is it good, man?
Oh my gosh. That is so good, you guys. You have to try it. Like right now, like today.